Hi, Bess. Happy birthday. Um, I wish you all the best in life. And you're already there in the States, so I know naman na may super successful ka when it comes to career. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana palagi kang okay and your health and nagkaroon masaya kasi with your family and with Michael. So, yun, nakakamiss ka every time I go out and with my friends. Siyempre, at the end of the day, ko pa rin naalala ko. So, yun, surprise. Hindi ko nga alam paano ko ito umpisahan. Parang sabi ko sa sarili, kakagumawa ng video, sulatan ko na lang. Pero hindi, ganun kaka-special. So, I hope to see you in more talks and kwentos if you have time. Just be safe always. And I love you so much.